it on TV. The news report's there. Damn. Now there's all this fucking traffic. Holy shit. Yep. Damn, now I can't get the hull down. Holy shit. There's a fucking line to hull down. Ha ha ha! Line to break none, what do you mean? You really turning? I'm gonna make my way in. Somebody's gotta let me in. Oh, hey. Oh, yeah. Hey, thank you. She let me in, yay. No, he's on vacation. No, he works at Mount Vernon. Man, I didn't think I was gonna get in. Holy crap. There's tons of traffic on that bridge. Yeah, she did. I like his smile. Man, these